Hey guys, Mr. Baines here to help you through your lesson for today. So you should already have this open. All right, so I'm going to help you graph today. So the first thing is open the Google Sheet below. So go ahead, open that up. Second step is open your Paper Rockets lab right up. So go to classwork. And choose Paper Rockets Lab. If you have it turned in, you need to make sure that it's unsubmitted. So go here and click unsubmit because there's no way it could be done yet. We haven't finished everything yet. So go ahead and click on that and open it up. I'm going to open a copy here so I don't mess it up. Hold on, sorry. Come on. Come on, let's go. All right. Okay. All right, back to your instructions for this assignment. So scroll down to the graph in the section called Analyze Information. So we'll go here. Okay, yours should have your name up here, and you should already have this whole first page finished. Okay, scroll down to the second page here with the graph, and then two things, you can either double click or you can click once and then click on the edit button. All right, this opens up the graph. The drawing should be open. All right, next it says for the y-axis, the smallest number you should write is 25, and then count by threes all the way up to 70. So we go here. The smallest number you write here is 25. And the font is a little bit too big. So what we're going to do is click and drag across all these boxes. And this whole thing got selected. So what I want you to do is click Control, click on that, and then just these boxes are selected, which is what we want. We're going to go to the font here and choose 6. And then we're actually going to make these boxes a little bit bigger. There we go. Hopefully that fits all of them. Okay. And then it said count by threes. So then 28, 31, 34, oops, 37, 40, 43, 46, 49, 52, 55, 58, 61, 64, 67, and 70. Okay. All right, good. Next, we'll go back to the instructions. It says, then use the color-coded spreadsheet to help you graph the values. Use the purple box to graph the average in each category. So we go to our spreadsheet that we opened. You can see in the purple here, the average is written, okay? And this was calculated for us using sheets. So we'll go back to here. Well, I'm going to memorize this number first and we'll go back. So the average of the skinny nose cone rockets was 52. So we're going to go here. The skinny nose cone was, click on the box, drag it up to 52. Okay, just like that. Okay, I'm going to do one more and then I'm going to let you guys do the rest. So then the average of the fat rockets was 38.9. So I'm going to click. I'm going to go up to 37 is right here. 38 would be a little bit above that. almost 39 is where we're going to. So maybe somewhere like right here is pretty good. Okay. And then you do that for each of the other categories here. When you're finished, click Save and Close. Okay. And then the last thing you have to do is actually, after graphing your data, start to write your conclusion. Open the How to Write a Conclusion Google Doc to help you start each sentence. Okay, so if we go down here, open this, How to Write a Google Doc, or How to Write a Conclusion. It's also called Reporting Your Results. And this is CSIQ. If you write your conclusion using these sentences, it is CSIQ. So this is exactly what your science and language arts teachers all want from you. These are sentence starters. So if you're having trouble starting the sentence, I have started the sentence in 2 or 3 different ways for you for every single sentence. You need to do at least 7 sentences, and then you will be done. When you're finished, you may click Turn In here or on Google Classroom. That's all for today, and I hope that helped.